Today I'm making a chips and dip platter. First I'm going to do some prep work for the dip, so on my lined baking sheet I'm going to add some bacon. Next I'm going to sprinkle some brown sugar over the bacon and bake it at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. While the bacon is baking, I'm going to make the first dip, so in my bowl I have 1 cup of sour cream. Next I'm going to add 1 packet of green onion dip mix. Then I'm going to mix that up until it's combined and then put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now the candied bacon is done and cooled, I'm going to chop it up into bite-sized pieces. Next I'm going to make the candied bacon cheddar dip. First I'm going to add a half a cup of sour cream. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Then I'm going to add the chopped up candied bacon that I made earlier. Then I'm going to mix that up until it's combined and then put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now I have this flip-flop platter. I'm going to add the dips on the left side of the flip-flop. Next I'm going to add some chips. I'm going to add some wavy potato chips and corn chips. Here's an up-close look of the chips and dip platter.